Hey kids, you got some work to do. All right, not really. We're not doing a lot of work today. It's kind of cool out, but we are going to test something. All right. We're going to be testing a wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We're going to be putting the information for everything right up here. Anyway, open the box. I haven't looked at it yet, so here we go. But that, pretty cool. Here's our screen. And we got mount, another mount, wire, hey, power, wire, manual, warranty, and that's for the sticking out. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through the manual. I'm not gonna show you that business, but I'm gonna go through the manual, make sure I install it correctly, and we'll bring you back to the car in just a minute. We're in the car. They have a magnetic base, so we're going to be using this one. I think we're going to just find a good spot for it here on the dash. If we can't find a good spot for it, actually look right here. We found a good spot for it right here. It's right over there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get this wired up to the car. So I got the keys. Hey, look at that, I do. Let me get it running. Had to turn the sound off. All right. So, we gotta make sure we got the auxiliary port input. First, let's get this linked up here. Uh-oh. We might have to use the other one. Oh, I got a spot here. Right here, right there. Yep, perfect. Right by the screen, which will be, you know, nice. And I have it set up good. Then this just magnets on. Let's turn that just a little bit. Right there. This magnets on like that. All right, so we're just gonna hook this up real quick. Plug that into your power port. Nice thing, it's a USB-C, so you can charge your phone with it too if you need to. Plug it in. It welcomed me. English. Look at that. Cool. Let's you know what? Let me get this hooked up. Or stop here. All right, this couldn't have been easier to do because, frankly, I turned on my Bluetooth and it literally just connected. I'll show you. I turned on my Bluetooth, I paired it. It's done. It's plugged in right there. Now, I'm going to see if music plays or that kind of thing, but I can't have it on here because you know why. It started raining. Anyway, the music plays. There's a speaker that it plays right out of. I think my auxiliary, yeah, it's in here. So we'd have to run a pretty long cable. But I'll tell you what, it works right there. Anyway, right here, works just fine. There's navigation, right? Look at that. I can move it. All right, what is that? Look at that. Hold on a second. Oh. And we can bring up just that. Maps, messages, look at that, phone. Darn cool. It's darn cool. By pressing that right there, it mirrors my phone screen. So I can exit it right there. There's all that cool stuff. Got settings. Android Auto, audio output, Bluetooth speaker, FM, auxiliary. Okay, should we try the FM? Oh. Right there, yep. Pretty darn cool. There's some very cool settings in here. You got auto dimming, assistive touch, updates, clear connections, driving positions, reminder tone, screensaver. Pretty darn cool. Let's check out the audio output. It's played by the speaker currently. Let's try FM. And then we're going to find an FM station that is not used. Hold on a minute. All right, it works fantastic. It does. It really, really does. I mean, it was super easy. I turned on the Bluetooth, I plugged in the power, and when I set it up, I set up an unused station on my radio. Happens to be 106.1, and that was the one, or that's just, it was on 106, so I made them work. And then I just set a preset to make that work. Now, I can't play music on here because I don't want to get a copyright strike or any of that stuff, but it works, and it works through all the speakers, and it sounded great. So we do have some extra pieces that we may not end up using, but I'll tell you what, for what we got right here in this 2016 Escape, this is darn cool. Especially this doesn't have Android Auto in it because it was not available at the time. So then what you do, you can just unhook the power, pop the screen off you go. Well, you can't beat that with a stick. All right, we're on the road. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just turn around up here. I just wanted to see how things go. It's pretty darn cool. There we go. Recentered our display. All right, let me get turned around. All right, we swung back around. I'm actually on a pretty rough dirt road, so I thought I'd hit some bumps. See how the screen handles it. Hold on. All right, here we go. I'm gonna just put my wheels right on the rumble strips in the middle. Bumps around, it doesn't bump around stuff, so here we go, rumble strips. See? Sure didn't wander around up there. This thing's working great. It really, really is. All right, let's take it back to the shop. All right, kids, see? Right there, just plugged it in. All we'd have to do is unplug it here, pop it off. Darn cool. All right, and power it off. In case you don't want to, just power button right over there. Man, that's slick. I don't know about you, but if you don't have a car, if you have a car that doesn't have Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, and you'd like it, I'm telling you. The only thing I didn't try out was the voice controls, but I'm telling you, everything worked fantastic. That box is now on the floor. Make sure you check out everything that we have listed on the screen as you watch the video, because we're going to have brand name, we're going to have the website, we're going to have all that cool stuff, pictures of it actually from there, all that cool stuff. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and this screen definitely is Honest Pete Speech Up approved. Keep on wrenching, kids.